Y'all see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Y'all, it's TAY and I'm back with a banger. So Bestie Gang, thank you for coming again. If you ain't joined the Bestie Gang yet, you better hit that subscribe button and join the Bestie Gang. Y'all, I'm about to tell you how you get thick. I'm about to help y'all. I'm about to get through the team. Cause you know Tay always got some tea. So stay tuned.
It's my best friend, it's Slam. You should already know we're your best friend. Now come on, girl, let's hit the flow. It's my best friend. It's my best friend. It's my best friend. It's my best friend.
What's up, Bestie? Y'all, it's 2021. No more low hips walking around here. No more low thighs walking around here. No more. We ain't little. We getting big. So I was researching. I was doing some research. Figure out some food. Y'all remember this day. Remember this day. So I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see if I actually got that. And I want y'all to do the same if you are over 18, of course. Because if you're not, don't none of y'all need to be trying to get thick. Y'all need to be trying to get a beating with a belt to that. Okay? Anyway, so I was researching some foods to help you get thick. So I can tell y'all, let's do this journey. Let's do this journey together. Y'all ready? I'm about to let y'all know what's tea. I know all of y'all eat this. I eat it a little bit. I really don't like it too much.
Look like
but
DJ chose.
I'm gonna start eating me some now that I know it can help you get thick. And that's fish. How many of y'all eat fish? I'm iffy about it. I really don't like fish that tastes too fishy. I just like I like fake fish. Some McDonald's filet fish, yeah. So fish though, fish. I know y'all got that in y'all freezer right now, probably. And eggs. Eggs, y'all, did y'all know that? I've been eating eggs for a long time.
Oh hell no!
We gonna see. I don't know if I must be gotta boil it or something like that. I'm gonna do some more research on that one. But eggs, obviously, is making females thick out here. Nuts, some cashews, some peanuts, some pistachios. Y'all, I love me some pistachios. But them things is expensive. Like the bag be like this big, and it be $12.
Boy, if you don't get
Who got it? Who got it? I don't got it. Y'all, beans of course, but y'all knew that. Y'all gonna be burning up, but you gonna be thick. Y'all, I know y'all don't probably even eat this. I like it. I like it as a dip. I can eat it on an egg sandwich. I can eat it on my sub sandwich with spinach. I believe that one. Popeye got real thick. Popeye, it went to the other spot. Popeye got real thick. Then they got avocado, oatmeal. I believe oatmeal. You could tell that I was eating on some oatmeal when I was in middle school, elementary. You could tell. Oh, and steak. I don't do steak. I don't do the beef. I don't do the red meat. But to each his own. That's believable. Meat will get you there. So y'all try some steak. I know y'all be whipping up in the kitchen. Try some steak. Put you on a little steak diet, thickness diet, and see if you get where you're trying to go. Corn bread. But y'all knew that though. Y'all knew that. I hope y'all knew that. And if y'all didn't know that, I can just assume that you're not black, but y'all knew that. Yogurt, Greek yogurt. Let me be corrected. Greek yogurt. So that's something new to try. Not expensive. And that dairy do be I'm gonna try the Greek yogurt too, y'all. I'm gonna try the Greek yogurt. I'm gonna get some oatmeal, and I'm gonna try the eggs. Boil me some eggs, y'all. I'm so serious. And it's the last thing that I seen on the website, because I'm really just trying to keep this video short. Y'all hit that like button. I need 30 likes. Hit that like button if you learned something new already, and if you heard a food that make you think that you've been eating your whole life and you still ain't thick. Hit that like button. I'm sorry, I'm just going off the internet. Comment down what that food is so I can know that it don't really work. But last but not least, sweet potatoes. I love some sweet potatoes, y'all. My mom makes sweet potatoes and she cut it in the middle. Well, no, she boiled it first. She cut it in the middle, put some butter and some cinnamon in it, and put it in the oven. Y'all, I'm alive, but I'm dead. That is so good. I'm definitely about to add that to my list, y'all. Shoot, I'll take the egg off and just do the sweet potato, the oatmeal, and the cornbread, and the Greek yogurt. I will eat that every day for a week straight and come back and show y'all what I'm working with. What I'm working with. That's too funny, but anywho, y'all know some foods that make you thick. Oh, everybody that learned something from this video is over age, bestie gang. Like, I love y'all, but I hope y'all old enough to even be able to get thick. Cause if you under the age of 12, 13, ain't nothing you can do. You ain't even near it. You gotta hit that growth spurt first, baby girl. But bestie gang, I love y'all. We about to get thick. Y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below some food to help me get thick in case I missed something. Something you might not, something you might know that I missed. So comment that down below. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see next. Dropping bangers every Thursday, y'all. Keep it glam.